I'm Bob Ross. I'll be your host this week as we experience the joy of renovating. Allow me to extend a personal invitation to get your paint and brushes to help renovate the media center with us. Today we're going to focus on soft seating. Now let's get started. Now let's look at the current chairs. Today we have with us Hannah, who will help us examine the current chairs. Well, golly, doesn't she look uncomfortable? So unstable, too. What a safety hazard. So outdated. Now we're going to take some dark sienna and midnight black and paint some happy little chairs. What a little rascal. Such a happy little chair that people will enjoy sitting on for years to come. Now it's time to renovate the soft seating. Oh wait, there is none. I'll be. Now let's close our eyes and imagine what it would look like. A sprinkle of color here, a dash of comfort there. These friends just look so fantastic. I can only imagine all the joy I'll bring to our students' lives. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this episode, my friends. Until next time from all of us here, I hope you have a happy renovating. God bless, my friends. To learn more about this renovation, visit usref.org.